Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to integrate PandaDoc in HubSpot CRM. So let's get started, let's get into it. First, you all need to do is to go on your HubSpot CRM. On the right corner you will see the My Profile, and here you will see the settings options here. Simply click on that one, and now you will see on the left side you will see a lot of different options bar. You will see the options of integration. Simply click on that one. You will click on connected apps. There we go. You can visit the app marketplace. Simply click on that one, and let me show you how to integrate the PandaDoc in HubSpot. So you will see the search bar. I'm gonna search PandaDoc. Here we go, and there we go. PandaDoc signatures, e-signature, and more. Simply on that one, and there we go. PandaDoc it allows you to create, track, and e-sign sale proposal and correct inside HubSpot. You can create your own electronic signature in here. You can bid proposal code and correct within HubSpot, pull HubSpot deals, data, and products, the directory proposals. Now if you just scroll that one, you will see these subscriptions. Like you can get a free e-sign. It's business per or user $49 per month, and per user for enterprise it's gonna be $168 per year. Now you can simply click on install app, and once you install the app, you will once you sign up with that platform, you will be able to log in with the PandaDoc platform. You can automatically create your e-sign signature. So this is how you can integrate your own PandaDocs e-sign signature in HubSpot CRM. So if you like that video, make sure you subscribe this channel, and I will catch you on the next video. Thank you.